What do you get when you totally rethink a wet-dry vacuum? Karcher high-performance wet-dry vacuums. Cleaner, quicker. A filter mounted above the tank, away from dust inside for clean and easy filter changes. An onboard power tool outlet with auto start-stop, featured on the WD5P model, so tool power also controls the vacuum. Semi-automatic filter cleaning sends bursts of air through the filter for longer filter life. Wet or dry operation as effortless as flipping a switch with no need to change filters. And a powerful blower when you need one. Karcher high-performance wet-dry vacuums. Cleaner, quicker. Karcher.